All right. Good morning, everyone. So Asia has just opened. It opened with a sell-off. Um, we're looking to take a position. We're looking to take a position on this 5-minute gap and take it back down to New York low or Asia session low. We haven't really taken out any of these lows. So this move up, in my opinion, is just a quick stop run. For anyone getting FOMO on that initial sell-off, their stops are up here. We can take out that 5-minute gap and then sell back down. I'm going to keep it there. There's a potential that we have a strong reaction on the New York session low because we have this 5-minute gap. It respected it pretty strongly down there. So the thing is, this deal that has supposedly been made with Iran and US is just on eggshells. And there's literally no certainty about it. Looking on Financial Juice right now, so something just dropped. Trump's suggested changes don't imply Iran's acceptance. What the fuck does that mean? There's it, they're just playing games around this whole deal. If Trump comes out sometime today and says the deal's off and there's more escalation with uh, their military operations, then this market is most likely going to give back this entire move. All of this, because this is where, when they announce the deal, all of this will get given back. Just you watch. So I'm sort of reluctant to have, uh, to take profit right there. We could be, targeting down there, but we'll take it level by level. I'm not really trying to guess when, or if these certain news-driven events are going to present themselves. We have this bullish FEG that I want to see get inverted. So respect this 5-minute gap. We'll drop it down. Oh shit. Asia opened with a sell-off, straight down. People would have been putting their stop losses somewhere above the open. We've reversed. We did not take out these lows. So we haven't filled or swept any forms of liquidity. So this is just a classic stop run up into some imbalance, which is above us right here. And this is where I'd expect a reversal. We inverse this 5-minute gap and take out this New York session low. That would make more sense to me. What happens from there, we'd have to see how the market responds, because generally when you're taking out any session low or high, you get a very strong reaction. So we could even play a move back up to take out these highs, something like that, because there's lots of liquidity stacked just above them. So we'll see how that plays out. Right now, I'm more interested in seeing this trade, or taking this trade, I should say. We're going for a 5R, almost a 6R. Haven't come into that zone yet. What do we have on financial juice? Trump lifting remaining sanctions on Syria is a crucial step to revive Syrian economy. Iran foreign minister: we should not give weight to speculation. Talks can't be judged until a clear result is reached. See, Iran's top negotiator: no faith in enemies' pledges, only tangible outcomes. Hmm. So right now, what I'm looking at on the open is we have, damn, what am I doing? We have this accumulation. And we have this manipulation. The upside right here. I want to see this gap respect coming into it now. And then on the way down, take out these these lows and the session low. We'll invert that 5-minute. NQ had a pretty strong reaction down there. Wow. That's where we opened it. Sold down, pushed straight back up, taking this topside resistance. Man, what is going on? Hasn't come into this gap yet. Wow. Aussie dollar sold off very hard. Pretty sure the Aussie dollar still has a massive gap on it though. Oh no, it closed it. What's some commodities doing? Wow, that is a massive sell off. What the fuck? Shit. That is wild. That is crazy. Hmm. I don't think it's just going to sell off from here. Surely it will take out this little order block. Surely. I want to see this liquidity swept and these gaps respected. Today we're going for, well, for this entire week, we're aiming to take max payouts on the funded next accounts. We have 5 Bolt accounts, they're all live, and we got them live. We passed the evals last week on Thursday, went to build the buffer on Friday, but we took 2 $600 losses. So we need to make back the 1200, hopefully through, not hopefully, we're going to make it back through Asia session. And, uh, probably during London later on today, we'll make the we'll make the buffer. Then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we'll take around 1,200 each day. And then sometime next week, we'll build the 7,700 and take uh, that fifth payout schedule. With Bolt accounts, I think they're structured perfectly. I mean, unlike Top Step, if you have to trade 5 days just to get one payout, think about how long that takes, and you're capped. You like every 5 days just to pull out $2,000. I mean, bro, that is slow as. So yeah, I mean, funded next is where it's at. 100%. That's what we're going for this week. NQ has a nice 1 minute gap. Okay. All right, we're in the trade. We can make a 1 minute inversion on this. I want to see this invert this instantly. Wow, look at that. NQ came right up to this gap and respected it. It'll reject from here. We need to invert that gap. Come on. We've taken all of that liquidity. We've filled these gaps. Come back down, invert that. Take out New York session low. Oh well, it's fine. No problem. No problems at all. We'll just let Asia session play out a bit further. There's no amazing setups right now, so instead of just continuing to look for something good to enter on, just let the range form and yeah, look for a better setup later on today. See you later.